bring back your lost coils from your curly hair. Pixie coil, deep wave, whatsoever curly hair you have. How do you bring back the coils by your own self in your own comfort zone? So now, inside here, coil serum oil, 9 days inside here. So we'll begin use them. They bring the coils of this hair because it's not looking gangalized, and that's on period. You understand me? First of all, you want to section the hair. Now you begin to spray. This hair needs to be very wet, okay? It has to be very, 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 very wet. Now to comb, start from the tip. So I'm using this comb. Then you work your way upward. So if you feel it's not too wet, you go spray again. Make it wet, well. Because the more it wet, the more the coils go come. Make sure you come and get all your products, okay? Everything is available for sales. Now the top side, wet them as well. You dey see the coils don't come out. So now I go use my leave-in condition. It's available. Come and get yours, okay? Yeah. And you rub all over. For those of you who are asking me, Chacha, how do they use leave-in condition? Watch this video now. Now no they watch video. Information one now they ask me, they inside my video. Now no go patient watch am. Me one and they ask now how many people I feel reply to. Then you watch the videos in the hand. Then you go sit down in answer where you define for inside the video. You see, so this one go make the coils pump out, go soften her, it go come dey gangalize. Styling mousse, I go hard. It's also available. Come and buy and slay your hair. I be now they see they carry dirty hair they put for head, nonsense hair they put for head. You know if you maintain hair, and you suffer pass for this life. Now wow, later your husband go run leave you, go carry slay mama you. They say hey, he's cheating on me. Why you not go cheat on you? Where na rubbish you they put for head? Now wow, if you na man, you go carry woman where they wear rubbish hair. After all set are done, so to define your coils, now you cut, okay? Then you brush. See, you can't lift the comb. Now I go put more coils. You dey see the coils? You dey see it go come be like deep wave. Can you see it? You dey feel am? Then you lift up, you squeeze out the excess water. Okay? You dey see am? You dey feel am? Coils go the hungry person like this. They see the coils. Then you squeeze. Make sure say the down. It they give, is giving, should be giving. Ungwanu. Then you begin lift up. Okay. You see how it thick, it gather. Make sure say you buy better hair. Not go do it to synthetic, they expect this kind of result, Because nothing I not go feed you. You they see it thick, you they see the tip. Be like noodles. Can you see the final look of this hair? Can you see looking gangalized? Bring your hair for maintenance or come and buy your products. Can you see? See how the center part is flat. Make sure say your own be like this or bring am for me, make I do am for you. Coils, they cry. What do? You are going to put it outside for it to air dry. So if you don't air dry finish, not blow dry, leave am, put am for cool place. The thing go come air dry. Pixie coils are finally air dried. Ungwanu. So this is the result. For now, we'll begin to take off these nets. Let's see the outcome. I know it's going to be outcoming. So meanwhile, let's open. Make sure say you use this net because the net go gather the coils. You dey say hey, come and maintain your hair. You dey there, you put hand for joy, they think for that. Just they think about your life. Come and get your hair product, you dey think. Ungwanu. Serum oil, come and get it. It's available. I'll take 1 drop. Going to make the hair to shine. You see as my hand they shine, and then give on that softness. Okay, see that softness. Use and rubber. This is the front of the hair. Thing is looking gangalized, and that's on period. On guinea kind they made. So now this is the hair before, yes, the one you are seeing on the screen, and now this is the new version of the Pixie coils. So if you want to see how I brought back the coils, I've uploaded the video. Go and watch it, okay? If you are there, you want me to maintain your hair for you, you want me to revamp it, you want to buy your hair products, add me on the WhatsApp number on the screen and come and patronize Chacha. Come and enjoy. Who shall be come and patronize Chacha? I beg, come and enjoy good thing. Yes, bring your hair. This is not become and patronize Chacha. Come and enjoy good thing with Chacha, because Chacha is enjoying good hairs. And if you want to get your hair, maybe you have been looking for a good hair vendor, you want to buy hair, Angie's hair is there for you. Okay? Organic kind of me. So you can see the outcome of this hair is looking gangalized, and that is on period. You understand me? Hair. So I'm going to slay my hair. Man, leave me. Bring your hair anyways. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.